We're one of the oldest chemical companies in the UK, and we pride ourselves on the way that we innovate and the way that we've grown our business. Certainly over the last 5 years, is through managing to develop our products suitable for the markets that our customers want and the advances that our customers want. And our advanced material developments are certainly reflecting that idea of continuous innovation.
Yeah, and for me, I think one of the core USPs of our business is the fact that we've been a chemical business for a very long time. That means we've got all the site regulations for scaling up new chemistries. We've got a wastewater treatment plant on site to deal with lots of new chemistries and lots of waste that may come through our site. And that means we've got a lot of flexibility in developing new processes and new products in our R&D department, knowing that we can then scale these up to commercial quantities using scalable techniques developed in our labs and with the engineering expertise on site to translate this from lab scale to large lab kilo scale to pilot plant and then to full commercial scale. We've got a world-leading portfolio of products as well as a pipeline and the expertise to scale up new products.
We're incredibly good at making sure all the materials come onto site are tested thoroughly before they even enter into our system. And we're well honed in the skills and processes needed. We actually supply electronic grade materials which are controlled to parts per billion. So therefore we can ensure the quality, not only of the materials coming in, but also the materials, more importantly, going out to our customers. Not only are we ensuring the quality of those materials, but we ensure that the processes to manufacture those materials are also within our exacting tolerances. So again, we have a very high quality standards right through our organization, and we're fortunate enough that we've had the investment from our parent company Synthema, that we have the equipment on site to ensure we guarantee the quality of our product and, more importantly, the consistency of our product.
And we have the real benefit of having a world-leading analytical team to help with that as well. So they've got decades worth of experience in analyzing the vast array of products that we have. We've got a great facility that was quality control facility that was upgraded, I think, around 15-20 years ago, which has all of the quality control techniques that we need in-house, so we can do all of that testing in-house, as well as some more advanced characterization techniques, so that if there is ever a problem on site, we've got the standard protocols that we use, as well as some more advanced techniques such as scanning electron microscopy, X-ray diffraction, things like this.
Over the last 12 months, we've installed a new testing laboratory, which will be covering not only our polymer additives business, but also our batteries, our battery material business. That is a wide range of equipment so that we can speak with our customers, talk them through our scale up, and also carry out, in the case of polymer additives, testing such as flame and fire resistance, so that we can actually preempt their requirements, and we can also give them some test results which they may not be able to do, or it will accelerate their development program when we can offer them the results that they're going to be testing for.
Yeah, we understand that it's critical not just to understand how the chemicals are made, the products that we make, but also how they're then used in application, which is why we've procured in both the equipment to do the application development work across the polymer additives and battery materials products that we have, but also bringing in experts within the field, technical experts, to then bring in their own materials processing expertise into this. And that expands out to our gas absorbent range of products too. And we make a gas absorbent product called DuraGuard. It goes into natural gas processing to remove hydrogen sulfide impurities from natural gas. And in there, we also offer support on site when beds are being delivered, but also ongoing support of testing and analysis of the catalyst material that we supply.
Our major focus at the show, rather than focusing on any particular new products, whilst we will be showing our work in battery materials, which we think is relevant for the event, but it's more about our capabilities and our ability to take on new chemistries in areas where other people maybe don't want to enter, and showing what we can do in terms of scaling those materials up. We had some very good interactions last year with companies where we've actually taken new ideas and chemicals that we can actually manufacture for them. And we'll also again be showing our graphene oxide, which is again a world-leading product and proven to be one of the best sources of graphene in the world, and we're very proud of that. And we'll also be showing our polymer additives and our absorbent chemistry as well.
Yeah, and we're grateful enough to have some demonstrators from our graphene oxide product that we'll be able to show. So one of our collaborators, Graphene Composites, who we supply our graphene material to go into their antiviral or antimicrobial ink product. We will be able to demonstrate those on our stand too, which we're excited for. And I think more generally, we're keen to be able to show our USP in how we work and how we engage with technology developers, startups, people that are creating new technologies that require materials to be scaled up via commercially scalable and viable routes. And we like to showcase how you can work with us on new technologies to bring those technologies to market.
We're excited to see how the battery space in particular is going to develop in the UK, and finding out if there are any further opportunities for us in that area.
Yeah, and we've got quite a lot of contacts in the advanced materials space, particularly, like Kevin says, in the graphene space with the folks at the National Graphene Institute and the Geek, and lots of other startups that we've connected with many times over the years, and it'll be great to revisit those networks. And there's also a couple of conference sessions that I'm interested in too. There's one particularly on the last day around how material designers developing future-proofed planet-friendly materials today. And I think that's something that's going to be core to any new products that are being developed, to ensure that the processes used to manufacture these are sustainable, as well as the materials themselves. So I think it's a really key topic to explore when you're looking at advanced materials and you're talking about new chemistries, is making sure that they are going to be relevant from a sustainability point of view.